Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your account number on the Ent app. First, open your Ent Mobile Banking app and make sure you are logged in. Now select an account from the list displayed. Tap on the account to view the details. Now a new page will load, showing your account number along with your account name. If you have any questions regarding your account number, you can contact Ent's customer service at 800-525-9623. Once your call connects, a representative will assist you in finding your account number. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.